Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400 ABS. This is the KRT Kawasaki Race Team version. Gorgeous black and green, reflective wheel tape. Only 186 miles on this gorgeous Ninja. Awesome sounding exhaust system. Adjustable levers for handlebar. This bike is not going to be here long. Don't sleep on this one. $52.99. Right here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.